Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling components and getting power ready. Attach the tubing to the compressor outlet, then connect the other end to the nebulizer cup. This creates the airflow path. Pour the measured medication into the cup, making sure not to exceed the cup's fill line, because overfilling reduces nebulization efficiency. Once done, fit the mask or mouthpiece to the mouthpiece adapter and confirm the compressor is on a level surface. This prevents tipping and ensures steady airflow for consistent particle delivery. With everything assembled, power the compressor and watch for a steady, fine mist. That indicates correct aerosol production. If mist is weak, check tubing connections and cup seals because leaks drop pressure and reduce dose. During treatment, breathe slowly and deeply through your mouthpiece or mask so medication reaches the lungs. Pause to hold breath for 2 to 3 seconds if you can, which helps deposition. Make sure you remain seated upright. Posture influences lung expansion and drug distribution. When treatment ends, switch off and unplug the unit, then empty leftover medication and rinse the cup, mask, and mouthpiece with warm water to prevent residue buildup. Let parts air dry on a clean towel before storage. Never store damp parts because mold can form. If you notice little or no mist on start, check for a blocked or disconnected tube, a misaligned cup, or a clogged compressor filter. Replacing the filter and confirming airtight seals usually fixes the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.